Are you wondering what this brand new J8 Plus is all about? Is it different than the J7 Plus? Let's get into the details. This is gonna be super quick because it's very simple. I just wanna tell you about it so you can make a decision on what's best for you. Let's go. Super simple here. The J8 Plus is a special version for Costco. They did this with the i7 Plus. Costco got the i8 Plus. Check that video out. It's down in the description. I'll put it at the end of the video. But here is the differences. So the J7 Plus is an awesome vacuum. I've used it for a year. It takes a little while when they come out with new vacuums for Roomba and iRobot to come out with their Costco version, but they come out with it. It's the J8 Plus, and here are the differences. The biggest difference is the battery. You get almost double battery. It goes to 44 milliamps, which goes from 75 minutes runtime to 150 minutes runtime. Now that's in perfect conditions, so you won't always get exactly that amount. It depends on what your settings are, how much it's running, how big the carpet is, what it's pulling, all that kind of stuff. But oh my goodness, you're gonna get more battery, which means it's gonna go out and run around and back in the house without having to come back and charge a lot easier. I had the i8 Plus over the i7 Plus, and it was just really awesome. I upgraded last year. I'm telling you right now, if you're in Costco and you see this deal and you need a vacuum robot, this is the best one on the market. Now, if you need something that does mopping and other stuff, check out my other videos, the Roborock S7, MaxV Ultra, the Deebot X1. Those videos will be down below and at the end of the video. But when you buy from Costco's, you get the bigger battery, you get 4 extra bags, you get an extra spinner brush, a sweeper brush, you get an extra HEPA filter for the vacuum, and I mean, you get the amazing Costco warranty. I mean, they extend their warranties and they have a crazy return policy. Probably the best return policy in America, maybe in the world. They're so amazing. I've been a Costco fan and member for a long time. I've had issues come up. They always take really good care of you. Their customer service is awesome. Their staffs are awesome. They take really good care of their people. So that is it in a nutshell. Basically, you have the J7 Plus that has a smaller battery and less extras, and the J8 Plus is the same vacuum. It's the same vacuum as the J7 Plus, except it's got a bigger battery in it, which you can't swap the batteries out. So you get that bigger battery. You get the amazing warranty from Costco's. You get 4 extra bags, you get a HEPA filter and the extra sweeper. And I mean, it's beautifully designed. So if you're on the fence about either one of them and you're looking for a vacuum, I would go with the J8 Plus from Costco's, but I'll put a link down to the J7 Plus at Amazon, just in case you are looking for that or it's a little cheaper, but it's definitely worth it. I just want to do a quick video. I know you guys are wondering, like, what is this J8 Plus thing? And I just thought I'd come on here and help you guys out a little bit. Also, a ton of you have been asking me about this thing. It's this Frankenstein thing that iRobot Roomba came out with. That's kind of like a hybrid vacuum mop thing. The mop like lifts up to the top so it can do carpet. All looks super cool, but it's super stupid. Like, you still have to pick, they just took the M6 Brava and the J7 Plus and put it together basically. And so you still have to pick it up every time it vacuums, every time it mops, and clean the pad or change the pad, put in new fluid, empty the trash out. Like, if you are gonna spend this kind of money, get the Roborock S7, MaxV Ultra, or the Deebot X1 or something like that that has a full stack on it that's going to mop and vacuum and take care of itself, clean itself for 30 days. So check out those videos, because you don't want to go buying something that expensive that's really doing nothing for you. And I've got a ton of videos on this channel about iRobots, robot vacuums, Shark, Deebot, Roborock, iRobot, all the things. Even a new one called Narwhal Frio, which is pretty slick looking if you're looking for something that's a little bit more designy to fit into your house. So tons of stuff here. I give my honest opinion. That's what we do here. That's all I do, is just tell you what the truth is and give you tips like this so you can know like wait, what is that thing I saw in Costco's and how is it different? So I hope this helps you. I love seeing your beautiful faces. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will catch you in the next Zacchus video. Peace.